sound letter E. This is letter E. Uppercase E, lowercase e. The short sound of letter E is E. Net, net. Bad, bad. Pan, pan. Red, red. Ben has a red pen. Ben has a red pen. Vet, vet. Pet, pet. Web, web. Bed, bed. The pet and the vet. The pet and the vet. Tan, tan. Hand, hand. Jet, jet. Leg, leg. The hen has 10 eggs. The hen has 10 eggs. Great job, everyone! These all are the examples of short sound letter E. See you in the next video.